Here's how CryogenX4 works to improve the efficiency and performance of any air conditioning and refrigeration unit.
The internal parts of an air conditioning unit, especially the condenser and evaporator, are designed to transfer heat. At the molecular level, metals exist as crystals, regularly shaped units arranged in an ordered recurring pattern called a space lattice or grain boundary. Oil migration and other chemicals form an insulative layer and hinder the heat transfer capabilities of the evaporator and condenser. Over time, this stagnant oil film buildup causes increased maintenance cost and considerable reduction in efficiency. When CryogenX4 is introduced into the system, its highly conductive and electromagnetic molecules embed themselves into the space lattice of the metal, thus filling the grain boundary and stabilizing the metal surface. This molecular polarization displaces the insulative layer of non-conductive material and replaces them with highly conductive and polarized molecules. This molecular polarization will not allow the refrigerant oil buildup to reform. The result is a surface free of stagnant oil hindering the heat transfer rate of the metal. CryogenX4 molecules greatly increase the heat transfer rate through electromagnetic heat propagation. CryogenX4 reduces the laminar friction of the refrigerant. The increased permanent efficiency and lifetime efficiency result in high dollar savings. By improving the lubricity of the existing lubricant, the compressor runs effortlessly, with less friction, less heat buildup, and reduced wear and tear. Improved overall performance. Benefits include improved performance, energy savings, extended equipment life, cooler, smoother operation, improved cooling, reduced runtime, quieter operation, and lasting system performance.
CryogenX4. Improved efficiency, longevity, and performance. A must for all air conditioning and refrigeration systems. Tested, proven, and distributed globally.